Hello viewers, welcome to the shopping episode of the channel Gemish. Shopping in Mangaluru is a wonderful experience that is worth enjoying. There are a lot of shopping centers located in Mangaluru such as Balmata, Kankanadi, Palnir and Hampankatta. But apart from these shopping centers, there are numerous malls that have recently sprung up in Mangaluru. These malls offer a very huge variety in the articles and things that they sell. All these articles are worth buying because of their look and quality that they possess. Here are some of the most famous malls of Mangaluru. Bharath Mall. Bharath Mall is a massive shopping mall which is very popular among the Mangaloreans. It is situated opposite to the KSRTC bus stand. The City Centre Mall. The City Centre Mall is the second largest mall of Karnataka and the 10th largest mall of India. It is located at KS Rao Road in Mangaluru. Empire Mall. Empire Mall is the most well-liked shopping centre of the city of Mangaluru. It has a separate games floor for the kids and even for the grown-ups. Fiza Mall. Fiza Mall is the fourth largest mall in Karnataka, located on Pandeshwar Road in Mangaluru. Mak Mall. Mak Mall is a mall built by Mak Group in Kankanadi. Major stores in the malls are Brand Factory, Audi, Barbecue Nation, etc. Pio Mall. Pio Mall, located at Jail Road, Kodialbai, is the first mall that is recognized by its tenants or leases. Mischief Mall. Mischief Mall is located at KS Rao Road, Hampankatta. Some shops in the mall are Motherhood, Punjab the Paint, Mumbai Street Kitchen, etc. Inland Galore. Inland Galore is a commercial project by Inland Builders located at Kankanadi. Inland Galore is a symbol of innovative architecture. Times Square Mall. Times Square Mall is located at Malikatta, Mangaluru. Lotus Mall. Lotus Shopping Centre is a mall near the Bikarnakatta flyover at Kulshekar in Mangaluru. Once completed, it will be the largest mall in Mangaluru, second largest in Karnataka and among the top 10 in India. Bharath Mall 2. Bharath Mall 2, a shopping mall next to Bharath Mall Vijay, will be adding more retail space to the existing lineup of branded stores. The other proposed upcoming malls of Mangaluru are Golden Harvest Mall, Mangalore Central Mall, Golden Square, Plama Mall, etc. Since Mangaluru is a port city and also an important business hub, the different malls that are located in the city aim towards suiting the tastes of the people or the modern day travelers who visit the city. Thank you dear viewers for watching this video. Wish you a happy shopping. If you like this video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe for more videos.